All right, so first she's going to peel the carrots. And then we're going to put them in the Kenmore Short Order II 30-year-old food processor or chopper or cutter or whatever you want to call it. Here's your plunger. And if you look, we've got a blade in there. And this is to shred the carrots here. And this one here, if you flip it over, you can do cutting with, like, you know, if you want to do long strips. But anyway, we got it set in there. And then over here is your off and on button. This is the on, that's the off, and that down there is momentary. And here you can do low or you can do high. We're gonna go high because we like to go all the way with it. And we just gotta get all our carrots shredded. Once we get them shredded, we're gonna show you how you do it with this thing. What I try to do is get all our carrots peeled, and once they're peeled, then we're gonna shred the heck out of them. This thing right here, they don't make stuff like this anymore. This thing has lasted for generations. I think it came from the 1800s, and it's still good today because they knew how to build stuff back then. That's why. Right, honey?
Oh, yeah.
This is very simple. You see how this goes on? Just pop it off like this, and you can see the blade on it. And the blade comes off very easy, just like that. And then you just set it right down on top of there. And then this here, you just have to slip it on. Oops. I slip it on like this. So I'm just like dropping it down. And I'm just setting it this on the other side of that. So now when I turn it, you see how it kind of catches there? And this part here slides into that. And once you've done that and locked it in, it's in the on position. And that means that you can go ahead and cut. Otherwise, if it's here, it won't cut. If it's there, it's not going to cut. Here, it will cut. So off, on, shows you how to do it. And that's it, basically. And then all the stuff comes out here, falls in the bucket down there. And then you can look up there and you can see how it's all set in there. And that's how it works. Just so you can see, that's how you turn it to get it in there, right? Watch. See how they all slide around? Just like that. That's how you get it on there. That's basically it. Do some cutting. Here we go. Check it out. I'm gonna put it in. Smushing them all down in there. Then we gotta flip this up to on. There it goes. That's it, man. That's how it works. We're just kind of cleaning it out. We just washed it off. Here's this one here. Here's that one. And then this one here. And then we got to clean off this one. But you got to be careful. You don't want to cut your hand. And you can see it only takes a couple seconds.
My knife broke.
You gotta be careful because you could cut a finger off.
That whole thing came off right here.
Oh.
Damn it, I got to fix it.